Welcome back to my channel. So far we have completed data warehousing and business analysis and their topics, and today we will start data mining. Okay, here data mining means, in simple words, data mining is defined as process used to extract usable data from a large set of any raw data. We are extracting data from data source and it is stored in a data warehouse, and we will mine the data from data warehouse or any type of large data that can be used for mining, that is used to extract usable data for large set of any raw data, whether it will be database, transactional data, data warehouse, etc. Okay, the process used to extract. Okay, here data mining is also known as large discovery in data, discovered knowledge based on data. Okay, it implies analyzing data patterns in large batches of data using one or more software. It is used to this data mining used for analyzing the data patterns in large batches by using one or more softwares. Okay, and it can make better decision for business also. We can make better decisions like what is the maximum of the product and minimum of the product. Okay, by mining, by prediction, by probability. This is also by making decisions. Okay, and we will use sophisticated mathematical algorithms for segmenting the data and evaluating the probability of future events. Okay, we can use in this data mining, we can use mathematical algorithms also for what? For segmenting data. Segmenting means what? By dividing the data and combining the similar data. Okay, that is segmenting the data and evaluating the probability of future events, and we can find the probability for any future events. Okay, and let us look at features of data mining. Here, automatic pattern prediction based on trends and behavior analysis. Okay, there will be automatic predictions. How by trends and behavior analysis. Trends means what? Trends means what is the highest and lowest. This graph is there, no? Highest and lowest, that are the trends. By predicting patterns by trends and by using analysis, that is behavior analysis. Okay, and next, predicting based on likely outcomes. Outcomes, we can get outcomes, right? By using these outcomes we can predict. Okay, next, creation of decision oriented information. We will create a decision oriented information. By that we can able to find. Next, focuses on large data sets and databases for analysis. It focuses large data sets and databases for analysis. Okay, next we'll look at what are the types of data that can be mined. Okay, there are there are three types of data that can be mined. First, database, data warehouse, and transactional data. Let us look briefly about these data. Okay, first, database data. We already know database means what? Relational data. It consists of tables, set of tables, and it has rows and columns, right? These rows we can also call as tuples, and these columns we can also call as dimensions. Okay, is all about database data, that is relational database. And let us look at some of examples. Analysis. This database is used for what? Analyzing customers data to predict the credit risk of new customers based on previous data. Okay, we can analyze the data by using previous data. Okay, next, analyzing sales data. We can we can able to analyze sales data also. Next, by what this mining database can be used, we can search for trends, and we already discussed, right? Trends means what is the highest and lowest. By using, you can predict, right? And data patterns, by using while mining database, we can search for trends and design patterns. Okay, next, data warehouse. We already completed data warehouse data and its topics. Okay, let us look the definition of data warehouse. It is a collection of integrated data, right? Integrated means what? Difference from different source, we can collect different data and can be combined together. That is called integrated data. Okay, these integrate from what? It is a collection of integrated data from different sources like fat files, ERP, billing data, CRM data, etc. Okay, for what? With the querying and decision making on data. By querying means what? For modification, for delete, create. Okay, next, decision making. Decision making is what? What is the maximum of the price of the product and the minimum for decision makings. Okay, next, okay, let us look at how the process of the data warehouse. You know, this is flat files, CRM. Okay, data sources. By using what? By using ETL tool, right? This ETL tool, extract, transform and loading, stored in data warehouse. Used for analyzing and reporting, querying, etc. Who? End users. Example, client 1, client 2. Okay, this is the process. This is for analyzing and reporting by tools. These are analyzing tools and reporting tools. Okay, next, in data warehouse, data is stored in a multi-dimensional structure, right? That is data cube. Data cube is in the form of cube. Here, location we already seen, and here time, and here items. For example, mobile phones, sales, etc. also comes under items. And the time Q1, that is quarters, and months, years, week, or whatever it will be. Here cities, countries, location. Okay, this is data cube. It has multi dimensions. Okay, here each dimensions is called attribute. Here location, time, items, these are all comes under attribute. Whereas in database, columns are comes under dimensions. Okay, next, transitional data. Transitional data means any transaction or any record is called as transitional data. Okay, each record or transaction is also called as transitional data. Okay, for example, sales, marketing sales, and flight bookings, railway station, railway booking, bus tickets, and visiting web pages. How many times we will visit the web pages, etc. All comes under transactional data. Okay, next, this transaction data consists of what? Transaction IDs, list of other items making transaction from transaction database, other items. Okay, and we can mine frequently, and here we can mine frequent patterns. Okay, and let us look at other types of data that can be mined is sequence data. Sequence data means there is stock data, so all comes under sequence data. And spatial data means maps or comes under spatial data. And data streams are continuous streams. These are continuous data. Next, web related data comes under web data, and hypertext only know, and multimedia means videos and audios data, and engineering design data means circuits, integrated circuits, right, and any graphs around comes under engineering design data. Okay, that's all about what are the types of data that can be mined, and the data mining process, and that is definition, and features of data mining. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please be subscribed.